Hello guys, welcome back to Himanshu's Adverse. Guys, today I would like to ask you an important question. Have you ever said I am running late? Well, you might have said it probably multiple times in your life so far, but the question is, are you actually running? No. Then why do we in English we say we are running late? And what does it mean? So you might be sitting on a sofa, you might be sitting in a car, you might be traveling by train, or you might be on a plane. But when you say I am running late, it simply means that you are going to be late. Probably you have an important meeting, you have an important interview scheduled for you, and time is running out. So in that case you say I'm running late, and it simply means that I'm going to be late. Like we also say I'm running out of time. So in that case you have very little time left for you, and you have to be like you have to reach somewhere, or you have to finish a particular pending project. So in that case you are say hey guys, hurry up. Maybe you are in a team. So in that case you say hey guys, hurry up, we are running out of time. Also we say I'm running out of battery. Yeah, the battery is running low. So your phone is about to die in that case. Like it has very little power left. Your battery of the phone has a very little battery left. So in that case you say my phone is running low on battery. We also say the machine is running. So the machine is operational, or it is being operated by the laborers. It doesn't mean that the machine is traveling from one place to another just because we say the machine is running, right? Also we say the clock is running. It means you need to hurry up as the time is passing, right? Maybe you have a limited duration for something or a deadline, so you say the clock is running. That means time is passing by, you need to be like on your toes or to hurry up. We say the clock is running. Like we also say I'm running short on money. It simply means that the amount of money you have had in your bank account, like it is running out, and maybe you are overspending. Maybe you are spending on too many things which are useless or not as important as they should be. So in that case you are running short on money, right? We also say the meeting is running late. The meeting is running late means it is taking longer than expected for the meeting to start. So you say the meeting is running late. Maybe it was about to start at 9 a.m. in the morning, but it is already 10:30 a.m. now. So we say the meeting is running late, right? Also we can say the plan didn't run smoothly. For example, we had planned something, but there were too many obstacles in the plan we had we were about to execute. So in that case we say the plan didn't run smoothly. Also there are like rumors are running around. That means rumors are being spread, or rumors are spreading about anything, basically misinformation. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.